Hello friends, NEET strategy workshop. So on 31st of March, Astute Career Counseling Academy will be conducting NEET strategy workshop for NEET aspirants. The timings are evening 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. It will be in two phases. The second phase will be on 13th of April, afternoon 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So the students can register for the same. So what are the benefits of this workshop? So, with this workshop and by implementing the strategies of this, which we will be teaching you during this workshop, so you can minimize your negative marks and improve your performance in the NEET by at least 20 to 30%. So, what are the topics we will be covering? That is negative mark management, paper planning, categorization of questions, time management, rough work management, risk management, psychological approach for the examination, how to manage the stress, and paper preparations. So, all these topics will be covered in this brief workshop, and surely by implementing these strategies, you will be having a higher rankings, and there will be a chance for you to get a good all India ranking and to take the affordable education, because fees is directly connected to your marks. So surely do join this workshop. Don't miss this. And do register for the same on the given link below. You can also connect on the given numbers and speak to our representatives for detailed information. Thank you very much.